friends, welcome to Rapid Education channel. Today we are discussing some questions of NTA NET general paper. Which of the following applies in case of discovery learning? It is constructivist approach based. It was introduced by Jerome Bruner. It is a method of inquiry based instruction. In case of discovery learning, the three are correct. Discovery learning takes place in a problem facing situation, and learning in an active method in discovery learning, not a passive method. It is an active method and takes place in constructive process. Constructing new ideas or concept based on current or past knowledge, students interact with world, exploring and manipulating object, wrestling questions and controversies, and performing experiments. Next question. As learning is continuous, a teacher must start teaching at the level of students' mind for their better learning. This is called as principle of clarity, principle of association, principle of active process, principle of multiple exposure. Correct answer is principle of association. And check the other principle. The idea or message to be communicated should be clearly spelled out. It should be worded in such a way that the receiver understands the same thing which sender wants to convey. There should be no ambiguity in the message. And sender जो कहना चाहते हैं वो मैसेज क्लियरली कम्युनिकेट होनी चाहिए. उसमें कोई रुकावट या बाधा नहीं होनी चाहिए, कोई एम्बिग्विटी या अस्पष्टता नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्लियरली वो सुनने वाले को पता चल जाना चाहिए. यही है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्लैरिटी. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्टिव प्रोसेस. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्टिव प्रोसेस इन विच teacher provides activities that promote analysis, synthesis and evaluation of the content. Next is principle of multiple exposure. In this method, provide students with multiple opportunities to encounter, engage with and elaborate knowledge and skills. Apart from this, more teaching principles are there. Principle of self-activity, principle of reward, principle of variable learning ability, principle of learning capacity, principle of theory and practice, principle of effective communication. We are going to the next question. The rate of learning declines at the rate of about 1% a year after the age of 30 years, 35 years, 42 years, 45 years. Correct answer is 35 years. 35 years is the correct answer. We are moving to the next question. Which of the following are the methods of learning? Look at this. Teaching, trial and error, imitation, experimentation, questioning, reflection. इनमें से क्या learning के methods हैं? इनमें ये 6 जो है learning methods है. Apart from this, observation, experience, instruction, self-learning. Self-learning is also called cognitive learning. The correct option is all of the above. And we are going to the next question. The teaching can be defined as bipolar process, tripolar process, quadrilateral process, all of the above. The correct option is all of the above. Next question is match the following items. Combining steps into larger units, declarative knowledge without much attention, and cognitive stage, associative stage, automatic stage. The correct answer is combining steps into larger units. It's associative stage, and declarative knowledge is cognitive stage, and without much attention, automatic stage. Next question. It is almost simultaneous occurrence of the stimuli and of the responses to them. It is called as generalization and discrimination, contiguity, reinforcement, and practice. And the correct answer is contiguity. Moving to the next question. Which of the following statements applies in the context of online teaching methods? Teacher does not help in construction of knowledge. There is more role of learners in the instructional process. The delivery of instruction is always verbal. There are more chances of self-learning and motivation. It is rigid in nature. What is the correct answer? Which of the following statements are applied in context of online teaching method? Teacher does not help in construction of knowledge. It's wrong. Teacher helps in constructing knowledge. There are more role of learners in the instructional process. This is right, because learners must do their works by their own. The delivery of instruction is always verbal. It's not right, because delivery can be done by video process, verbal. In other methods also we can deliver. This is wrong. There are more chances of self-learning and motivation. This is right, because self-learning happens while doing online classes. It's rigid in nature. It's wrong. Then the right option is 2 and 4 is the correct answer. We are going to next question. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of learning process? The context can be both field independent and field dependent. The learners are always reflective in nature. There are no scope for practical thinkers. All of the above. This is wrong. There is no scope of practical thinkers is wrong. And the learners are always reflective in nature is also a wrong statement. And the context can be both field independent and field dependent is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Bye. We'll meet again tomorrow.